Hey everyone, welcome back to I's channel. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can remind it and not miss out on the next video. Today I will make an illustration of a woman who is dreaming about a female hero named Raden Ajeng Kartini. Every year, April 21st is celebrated as Kartini Day. Kartini Day was celebrated to dedicate Kartini as a national hero. She is known for her role as a hero and a pioneer in the emancipation of Indonesian women. I'm gonna tell a bit about the history of Katini. During the Dutch colonial era, not all children could get a proper education, especially women. Kartini, the daughter of a Japanese nobleman who worked for the Dutch colonial administration, was exposed to Western ideas when she attended a Dutch school. When she had to withdraw from school because she was a noble birth, she corresponded with Dutch friends telling of her concern both for the plight of Indonesian under colonial rule and for the restricted lives of Indonesian women. She was remembered as a mother and a model for citizen mothers' dutiful contribution to the nation. so much for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you in the next video. Bye.